So I had a few days where I collected no sap at all, and 2 days ago I checked and the buckets were empty. And then today I went out. Yesterday wasn't a very nice day, it was barely above zero, but today was a nice day. I'm not going to do a time lapse of me boiling this down. This is going to be 4 or 5 hours of boiling, but when I get near the end I'll do a little bit of a video clip to show you what I got at the end. And of course, if there's anything interesting in the process tonight that I haven't showed you before that I've learned since the first pail that I've boiled, I will stop and do a video of that too. So I've got so much of those 2 pails. I've actually got 3 pots full, and just like the last time I made it, which I didn't make a video of, but I'm getting a lot of this foam on the top. Just running my strainer through here and just picking up all the foam and then discarding it, and that gave me a much cleaner result than in my part 3 video that you guys saw. So I actually got a much nicer syrup last time. In fact, I'll show it to you so they can kind of see. It's kind of like skimming it off the top. So I'm down to 1 pot. I'm going to filter here, and you're going to see some of the sugar sand that I'll get out of this pot here. So I'm going to do that now. So there you can see how much of the niter I've managed to filter out with just a coffee filter. So, you know, obviously I'm not professional, right? This is just me doing this for fun in my backyard, but that's what I got out of there. So hopefully that'll make a cleaner, well, I know that'll make a cleaner syrup for my last experiment. So there you go. So that's how much I have left now, and now I will cook it down until it's syrup. So I'm at a point now where it bubbles up a lot. Oh, 106, there we go. That is where we want to be. It's a nice golden color. It's not perfectly clear, because from what I've read you should be filtering it again, but I don't have a way to do that, so because a coffee filter won't work. So I'm just going to use it like this. Unfortunately, this is the only bottle I have, so I'm going to use. That's 250 milliliters, that bottle, and that's where it's going to go. Let's hope it's big enough. So that bottle's completely filled up. I still got a bunch left. Well, I gotta find somewhere else to put it. And there's miniature alcohol bottles. So when all else fails, we find a place to put this wonderful maple syrup.